Looking for a way to keep your messaging activity more private in Truecaller? Turning off read receipts is the perfect solution. Once this setting is disabled, people won't receive a notification letting them know you've opened their messages. Here's exactly how to change it. Begin by opening the Truecaller app on your device. After the app loads, tap your profile picture in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you can access your account and app settings. Next, tap Settings to enter the configuration menu. From the list of available options, choose Messaging. This section controls all of Truecaller's chat-related features. Scroll all the way down until you see Read Receipts. You'll notice a toggle switch beside it. Tap the switch once to turn the feature off. The change is applied immediately, so there's no need to save anything. After disabling this option, your contacts won't be able to tell when you've read their messages. This can be useful if you prefer to reply later without showing that you've already seen the conversation. Depending on your version of Truecaller, you may also stop seeing read receipts from other users, since this privacy feature often works both ways. If you decide to enable read receipts again in the future, simply follow the same steps and switch the toggle back on. It's a quick setting that you can change whenever you want. To make sure you have access to the latest privacy features, keep your Truecaller app updated through the Google Play Store or the App Store. New versions sometimes introduce updated menus or additional privacy controls. Your privacy settings are now updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy app tips and tutorials.